Good evening, friends, dear students. Once the person comes in the profession of this advocacy and he enters in enters into an admission for the LLB, BA or LLB, to in that course he is supposed to know the future sticks of career. What will be the future of after LLB? Until and unless you are not aware about the future, there is no meaning of doing the LLB. So the aspirants, first you decided that you have to go in practice or you have to qualify an examination and you have to go in government job like APO and Munship Magistrate, Metropolitan Magistrate. So it is up to you. Although the average student wants to become a judicial officer, but it is not possible for everyone. Only those persons who work hard, who are devoted to this profession, to this course, only they can get success in this. You have to devote a period of at least 2 years, 3 years or 5 years. I hope so that one who is very sincere, he can get success in 2 years even. So, how you have to be prepared for this examination or these examinations which are being held by the governments of different states and even by central government. So, dear friends, while getting the admission, you completely focus on your academic career. Study in class, study with friends, study with seniors, study with the persons, those who are well aware of these laws. So the persons, those who are well aware with the laws, they are your professors, your lecturers who take the classes. So be in touch with them. And whatever legal query, genuine query you have in your mind, you should put with them and get the correct answer. Whensoever you have any dilemma or confusion in your mind, you should clear it immediately within 1 or 2 days or within a week. You can discuss it with your friends, with your colleagues, and with your teachers. Even otherwise, you can go on Google. That is also a very proper place, proper way to know the right answer. Although sometimes Google is also not perfect. So, if you are not satisfied with Google, then you go in the academic books and with your professors and teachers. So, whenever you will go for the examination, you will write down the correct answer. Never try to write in lengthy answers. Answer should be brief and effective. You should have language command thereon. Language command comes from your practice. Either that may be in Hindi or that may be in English. It doesn't matter. However, you should be conversant with the English language also, because the most of the journals are published in English most of the acts are published in English. However, you can get the journals and these acts in Hindi, but they are rarely found. So, you are not supposed to be a professor in English. You are not supposed to be a lecturer in English. You are supposed to know the English language, which is necessary. And in every state, you will find that the examination, in course of the examination, the English language paper is also compulsory. Some states there may be or may not be, but even otherwise you have to be conversant with the English language. So for that, you side by side get the rapid speaking course, English grammar books, and try to speak with your friends and colleagues, try to speak in your classroom, try to speak yourself in isolation. So you will get success in speaking fluently and writing fluently. So this is the way to know the English. Although the papers are generally found in two languages, either regional language or in English, either in Hindi or in English, or in both languages. So, wheresoever you will go, you will definitely find the paper in English. So, the English is the universal language. That's why you should be conversant with the English. However, you may not be too much fluent in English, but you should be known with the English, fluent with the English, conversant with the English. So, dear friends, after doing the LLB, you are supposed to devote a period of at least a period of 2 years, and within a period of 2 years, you will be on a track to crash the examinations. Once or twice, it may not be qualified, but after 2 or 3 examinations, you will definitely be on track to crash the examinations. And never be hopeless. Try again and again, and you will get success. Although this is the time for competition, no doubt is very high, at a very high scale. So you have to devote the time sincerely for that. I will tell you about the syllabus, about the important books, important acts, important laws to prepare for the examinations. Examinations means competition examinations. So, because I have a good experience for crashing these examinations, that's why you may get a resultant benefit of my experience. So in next video I will tell you regarding the syllabus and how to prepare to crash the competitive examination. Once the person who will be with me with my videos, definitely he will get success.